I created EP Logistics back in 2006 with 5 employees. And today we have 250 employees in Mexico and 60 employees in the US.
We're a one-stop shop on a regional basis for many companies throughout the world. Anything from a 5-pound box to a 20,000-pound crate. We're typically offloading 50 to 60 truckloads in and around 80 to 90 out on a daily basis.
The propane combustion trucks has always been used in the cross-docking environment.
We want to get away from propane. If we don't have the right machinery, you lose efficiencies. Time is money. You gotta be efficient in this business. That's when we decided we needed to go electric.
The UniCarrier trucks were introduced by Fed with Permian machinery.
We really like the cleanliness and the efficiencies and the new battery systems and the tracking systems that they come with.
It's cleaner, less maintenance. The capacity, the capabilities, for us, it was a no-brainer.
Every customer has their unique needs, their unique specifications. If you look at the sticker on the fork trucks that says, this forklift is specially made for EP Logistics, it's 100% true because we find out what the high needs are, capacity and all that. UniCarriers makes that product exactly how we're asking, perfect bulletproof forklift to achieve their needs. The transition was very flawless. The UniCarrier fork truck is very user-friendly.
The operators are extremely happy. It is more comfortable. I feel safe. Everything's super smooth. So the driver doesn't feel as fatigued. It helps us get the job done faster.
The main focus that EP Logistics was wanting to see is the fork truck usage. We make sure that the module on the battery communicates with the charger and it goes into the internet so we can get live reporting.
We can use that to direct the workloads and where do we need to add or take away equipment.
Now that we have reliable equipment, our clients are noticing that we're moving faster. These forklifts are under extreme pressure.
We do have a dedicated technician focused on EP Logistics alone. So their operators really do not need to touch the batteries, don't need to do any type of maintenance. We take care of all of that for EP Logistics.
Anything we have asked for in support, whether it's technical or mechanical, they jump right to it. You have to have that support, and we really depend on that.
We're getting prepared with the right people, the right equipment, and having all the systems in place to make sure that this company continues to grow while still maintaining the high quality of service to our clients. We're very thankful that UniCarriers can support us with that.